Introducing a modern dealership dashboard designed around speed, simplicity, and control. View inventory performance and add new vehicles directly from the dashboard. Change language, open relevant notifications, and access user settings from one streamlined header. Create new deals quickly and monitor dealership activity through clear performance indicators. Create tasks, review pending work, and open detailed task information whenever needed. Filter deal trends by month and explore performance without leaving the dashboard. Review recent deals, access customer profiles, and respond to important inquiries faster. Power your dealership with better visibility, faster actions, and smarter workflows.